Mm-hmm. So we're at Mangilao Golf Club, and this place is really nice. Check it out. It's right here on the ocean. Can't wait to hit these links. There's Airman Bays, or Robert Bays. It's pretty funny, huh? Yeah, I like the one with the American flag on it.
Yeah, I was looking at that one too.
America. Ready? Look at this view. Oh my God. Look at that golf course. Look at that. That is insane. All right, so here's our quad car with GPS.
This is nice.
How you doing? Take a look at them.
No speed, pretty much. Oh, 10 yards downhill.
Just a guess. Take it with a grain of salt.
Not that far downhill. Downhill. Much rather be short than long.
Yeah.
That's going out right. Got a nice bounce.
Oh yeah, he did.
You say you got some short tees?
In the back. Yeah, they're wrong.
Well,
It's the back that's harder.
not bad on the front. What y'all say? Huh?
Beautiful course.
Beautiful course.
Nice
Beautiful.
course. That's what I got to say.
I think being that it's a little bit nicer than everything we've played, it's a lot easier to hit off the fairways. Look at that. Oh my God.
Yeah, we got to go down there.
That's beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. All right, hole 10, here we come.
Food?
It's up to y'all if y'all want food.
You don't want food? I'm not hungry.
I'm not hungry.
We're good then. You can get a sandwich real quick.
All right. Hole 10, right? Hole 10?
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's cold. These are cold. Cold
Yeah,
towels.
cold towels.
too.
Yes.
Oh, gentlemen, but today I think in the restaurant there was a closing by the time the office.
Where's the restaurant? To the left right here?
Yeah, we're not going to go to the restaurant.
Oh, no problem.
But thank you. Okay. Cold towels.
Thank you.
I've been using it for a while.
Here we go again. Oh my God.
You just look at it.
Would you just look at it?
Just look at it.
Holy crap, dude. Look at this. This is beautiful. Smell the ocean air.
I'm going shot. Hitting the rocks. Beautiful.
Where's the tee at?
I'm down here.
Look at that water, man. The Pacific Ocean. Oh my God, look at that green. Oh, we're gonna lose some balls, boys.
Oh shit. It bounced back in the woods. There goes my... Same thing. I'd like to know how many thousands of balls.
My first ball was actually off the rocks and it landed right here. So maybe I can get it on the green now without putting it in the rocks. We'll see. Yeah.
Nothing T-box, clear. Playing third stroke from this T-box.
My second shot.
Might be findable. Huh? You did? Uh-oh. Where'd it go?
Through those roots right there where that plastic bottle is.
Yeah, I see it. Still got it. Take a drop.
I'm counting that as the...
Triple bogey. It's not too bad given the aspect of the water right here.
Oh yeah. Can I count mine that landed there as a mulligan?
I mean, you called it. Is that your second mully?
Yeah. I think it got over the sand. That doesn't missing it, right? Yeah. Yeah, same positions. There we go.
No pressure.
That might be sand.
I'll take that. Come on, Wes, put it down there.
Lost that tee. Yeah, would have been the same thing. Hopefully I can find that ball.
On the green.
On the green?
I don't know if it goes that far back.